Hello friends, I Narendra Singh welcome you. I am not a CB registered analyst and just sharing my views here. Before buying or selling any security, kindly consult to your financial advisor. Let's learn together and earn together. Today we are discussing about inverted hammer candlestick pattern, and it is a bullish candlestick pattern. Japanese people have taken the reference of this candlestick pattern from an inverted hammer. Its real body is small and upper wick is quite long, and lower wick is either very small or maybe no wick at lower side. The color of this candle is not important, it may be red or green, but if it is a green one, then it is considered a good candle. Let's talk about its shape. The ratio of lower part of the wick should be approx 1:2, and if wick is longer than this ratio, it is assumed a good sign. These are some different kind of inverted hammer candlestick patterns. These are some more patterns and they all work according to the situation. Take care, inverted hammer and shooting star looks like same and have almost identical shapes. Whereas shooting star change the upward movement of price toward downward. Just opposite to this, inverted hammer change the downward movement of the price towards upward. Let's see how inverted hammer candlestick is formed. Suppose an XYZ stock is moving downward, and when the price comes to a support level, then a lot of traders average their old position by buying more quantity, or new traders make new position, and because of this price goes up. But because the trend of the stock is negative, so sellers bring the price down, and this forms an inverted hammer candlestick pattern. Let's see how this inverted hammer candlestick works. Suppose a stock is in downtrend and traders buy it at a support level, and it forms an inverted hammer candlestick pattern. And if next day the candle opens with a gap up and closes in green, then price should go up and should give a good target. Inverted hammer candlestick pattern can be traded in hourly, daily or weekly time frame, but on daily time frame it gives good results. Let's see how to identify a good inverted candlestick pattern on chart. Stock should be in downtrend. The low of inverted hammer should be near the low of the last candle, and next candle should be green and must close above the inverted hammer candlestick pattern's candle. Let's see how to trade it. Whenever good stock is in downtrend and at bottom or support area, it forms an inverted hammer and the next candle opens gap up, and if our conviction says that now price should go up, then one can buy it in the last formed candle, and as the price starts moving up, you can use trail stop loss, and when it starts doing consolidation, you can take exit. Now let's talk about most important thing, its volume. As soon as the inverted hammer forms, its volume should be higher than the previous candle, which indicates good buying at lower levels. And after the formation of next candle, its volume should be more than the previous candle, which shows good buying at and indicates upward movement of the price. If you trade this candle with Bollinger Band, then take care and see at least last 3 candles should be red. See in this another inverted hammer candle, last 4 candle are red. And one more thing must be taken care, that the previous candle of inverted hammer should not have long lower wick. Otherwise you have to put a big stop loss. Let's see one or two examples. This is quite old March 1990s coffee's chart is here on daily time frame. In this chart, inverted hammer did not work properly, but second inverted hammer worked properly. In this example, price fell and inverted hammer formed and price went up, and another inverted hammer formed at the same level and took the price up. Please write your views in the comment box and please like and subscribe the video and channel.